Hello guys! My aunt is here and welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo how fast and convenient it is to get insured online through FWD Insurance. Just a quick background about FWD Insurance guys. FWD Life Insurance Corporation is the first life insurance company licensed by the Insurance Commission of the Philippines under the new insurance code. So they are 100% legit, so nothing to worry. And they span across Asia. Meron sila sa Hong Kong, sa Macau, sa Thailand, and dito sa Philippines, and many more. So if you want to know more about FWD Insurance, you can visit their website www.fwd.com.ph. So today guys, I am going to get my insurance at FWD Insurance. So meron silang first set of online products which is the KanDuu. 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 I will be doing a screen recording and ilalagay ko dito na side para makasabay kayo and para makita nyo how easy it is to get insured through FWD Insurance. Through the shop.fwd.com.ph, you can buy your insurance online, no medical, no paperwork. Meron din silang exciting partner rewards and you can manage everything in the app. Ang itatry ko na insurance is the KanDuu plan nila. KanDuu covers you so you can do everything you want in life with no hesitations. So, sino ba namang hindi gusto na at peace yung mind mo because you are insured? So, nothing to worry. FWD Insurance got your back. So, under the KanDuu plan, meron tatlong plans na pwede mong pagpilian. So, first is the KanMend. So, KanMend is a protection against 42 critical illnesses, no medical tests, 6 months unli telemedicine reward. You got covered up to 100,000 pesos guys, and it is only 1,799 per year. So, all of these KanDuu na plans is only 1,799 per year. It's payable per year. So, ayun, KanMend. And then, meron ding KanLive, essential funds for your family, and 1 year unli medical consults reward. So, you got a life coverage of up to 200,000 pesos. To get to know more about the plan, you can visit their website at www.shop.fwd.com.ph para mas ma-scrutinize nyo kung ano yung plan na best na suit sa inyo. And then the third plan is KanGuard. So it is a accident and terrorism coverage. You are covered up to 500,000 pesos. Let's be practical. It's a good deal na, diba guys? KanGuard payout for accidents or terror attacks, worldwide coverage, and 1 year global emergency services reward. So today, like I said, kukuha ako ng insurance for myself. Sa tatlo na pagpipilian, I will be choosing KanLive. I will be showing to you guys how to purchase online. Ito, KanLive. So, life insurance covered up to 200,000 pesos. Yun na yun. And it's only 1,799 per year. So, okay, let's buy now. So, after that, na click yung buy now, you have to enter your details. So, fill up ko lang. So, Mrs. your name, your birthday, and contact information, your present address. Additional information, your citizenship, Filipino of course. Then, proof of identity. So, you have to upload clear photo of your ID. So, I will be uploading a valid ID, yung driver's license ko. Kasi yun yung meron ako dito. And then, default, yun, options if you don't pay your premiums. And declaration. So, you have to declare, I have never had nor received medical. So, you have to read all the declarations carefully, ha? So, babasahin ko lang and I'll get back to you. Alright. So, I agree. And then, at the bottom, so, you'll be paying a premium of 1,799 per year, and the payment mode is annual, covered up to age 55, sum assured 200,000. Then the benefit coverage is death due to any cause, so it's a life insurance. And then exclusions, meron talaga exclusion, no? You will get to know more about the exclusions when you visit their website, so pag-visit na lang first to know more about it. So let's click continue. Validating your information. So summary, you have to check the summary before natin i-submit. So once na ma-check na, confirm and pay via Dragon Pay. You can pay, guys, using your credit card or debit card. So let's fill out. Nag-tricycle nila ba? So let's fill out the billing information. So I will be paying using my credit card na lang. So click next pag maka-input na. Then review your order. Let's review. Total amount is 1,799. Pay. So just some sort of validation sa card na ginamit ko. And then wala! Wow, amazing! Ganun lang kadali. As in just a few minutes, I am insured. No need to go na sa office nila to fill out all the forms, all the papers. Wala. Through online lang talaga, and just using your mobile. I'm just using my mobile phone to get my insurance. So ayun. Yun na. Tapos na. O, diba? Amazing! Alright, so ganun lang, guys. Ganun lang ka-easy. So just tapping your phone, and then now I'm insured. Diba? Easy. Super easy. Easy kaayo. So, I am encouraging you guys to get insured, and might as well try the FWD Insurance KanDuu Plans. So, they're very easy to purchase. They're easy to buy. You just do it online over your phone. Tap, tap, tap. Then, diba? You're insured. So, ayun. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and might as well subscribe na rin sa channel ko, and leave some comments down below. Daghang salamat kayo sa pagtanaw, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!